Let's talk about programs on Solana. On Solana, smart contracts are called programs. A program is an account that contains executable code. But here's the key thing. Programs are stateless. They hold code, not data. Programs are written in Rust, usually with one of two approaches. Anchor, a framework that reduces boilerplate with macros, or native Rust, which gives you full control but more complexity. When you deploy a program, the compiler turns your Rust code into Solana bytecode format, called SBPF. That bytecode gets stored on-chain in an executable account. Programs can be updated after deployment. An upgrade authority controls who can modify the code. Revoke the authority, and the program becomes immutable, locked forever. The most important built-in program is the system program. It's the only program that can create new accounts. It also handles SOL transfers and assigns ownership of accounts to other programs. Every program is owned by a loader. Loaders handle deployment, upgrades, and execution. The current default is Loader v3, which stores program code in a separate data account so it can be upgraded. Programs on Solana: stateless, upgradable, and composable.